How to zoom in or zoom out video completely for free in Adobe Premiere Pro. Go to your file bin and drag in the video that you want to zoom in or that you want to zoom out. Keep existing settings or change it. Click on the video clip. Go under Effects Control. I'm zooming in on the timeline. Pick the part that you want the video to zoom in or to zoom out. I'm adding a cut right before the video goes on to the next scene. Click the beginning of the video or the video clip, go under Effects Control, and click Position and Scale. And at the end of the video, zoom in by clicking this and dragging it to the right or the left. Right zooms in, left zooms out. And this is the before, and that's the after. To zoom out a video, you can apply the same principle. Click on the video clip and see where you want to zoom in and zoom out. I'm adding a cut at the beginning, and then I'm adding a cut at the end of where I want the video to zoom out. I'm using the up arrow and the down arrow to go to the beginning and the end of our new selected clip that we want to zoom out. Click on the video clip, click Effects Control, and do the same thing, Position and Scale, except we're applying a logic that we want to zoom out. So in this case, I have it at 134, and at the end of the video, I want it zoomed out to 103. So this is the before, and that is the after effect. Notice how the video is zooming out. If you notice the difference on both the zooming in and then the zoom out, there is a slight difference, but you can apply this onto different video clips. Thanks for watching. If you want to watch more free video editing tutorials or content creation, subscribe to the channel, drop this video a like, comment down below, and share the video.